Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you kind of a easy, somewhat self-working magic card trick that has a prediction involved with it. And it has to do with a spectator selecting a card in a different manner than normally we would choose, okay? So you have a regular deck of cards and you have a spectator just go ahead and choose their card by cutting off the top of a pack of cards, any amount of cards that they like, but try and do maybe, less than 20. So let's say they cut off that amount of cards, okay? And since it's less than 20, what we'll do is we'll count down 20 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, okay? So 20 cards out of all these cards. And now they'll select their card by having it be the number of cards that they cut from the top of the deck, okay? So in this case, they cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards, okay? So let's count down 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then that's the card they picked, okay? So it could have been any of these cards, okay? They're all different, okay? It's a completely normal deck of cards, but they stopped right here on this card right here. And in my prediction that I wrote down before I started the trick, I predicted that they would pick a red 7. Well, it's not a red 7, but if I just give it a snap, it actually has a red back. And that's under Overkill. Now, before I tell you how to do this trick, please like and subscribe to this video. I really appreciate it. I also would like to give a shout out to my channel members, especially John Clare for being a Teller channel member. I really appreciate you. And if you guys have any questions about these tricks or anything, please leave them below in the comments and I do respond to them, okay? Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic. And now for the tutorial, under Overkill. It's a really simple trick. It's only mathematics. What you want to do is you have a blue deck of cards, regular deck of cards, okay? It doesn't even have to be full if you don't have, all 52 cards or whatever. You just find in your blue deck, a matching card that you want to basically force, but it's kind of not really forcing the card. It's more of like a prediction-based trick. It's just a mathematic way of having somebody pick a card, okay? So in this case, I got from a red deck a black 7 of spades, okay? And so on your prediction, you can write, you will pick a red 7, you can do, 6, 5, any card that you want, okay? Any card that you want, you write it down on your prediction, and then before the trick starts, you just have that in the card box, okay? Just like that. Now, the setup is just get the card that you're gonna make them choose 20th from the top, okay? So you count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, okay? So the 21st card is the one with the red back. And now you are all set to start the trick, okay? Now you can come out and you can give the cards a false cut if you want. Just don't flash, the 21st card because it's gonna have a red back, okay? So you can show the cards from this side, and of course you can show all cards, from the face, okay? So it's just a regular, well mixed up deck of cards. And now you have the spectator just go ahead and cut any amount of cards that they want off the top, and just say, maybe, like the top quarter of a packet, because you want them to cut less than 20 cards, okay? So they can cut any amount basically up to 20, and then basically it's just math from here, okay? So they cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards, okay? It doesn't matter, just as long as they're less than 20. You turn the deck over, and then just from, the bottom, count down 20 cards. So you just go, I'm gonna, since you pick less than 20, we'll just count down 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, okay? And you can show all the rest of these cards and then kind of emphasize on showing the backs of them that are all blue, okay? Now you've said you count down 20 cards and you've cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. So we'll count down to 7 cards and then just count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's your force card, okay? Turn these over, show that these are all blue backed, okay? Just kind of emphasize that, you know, all these cards are blue. Go in, show your prediction. You said you will pick a red 7. Obviously, then you think, oh, well, you messed up the trick. And then when you just give the card a snap, you can turn it over and show that it's a red back and it is a red 7, okay? It's just kind of a neat way of revealing they think you messed up when in fact, you did not mess up, okay, because it's got a red back. And that's it. It's just self-working math. Just get this card 21st from the top, okay? It's the 21st card when you set up the deck, and have the spectator cut off any cards they want off the top, less than 20, okay? And then just do what I did, and it's self-working. It's completely easy, and it's a really neat, kind of simple, easy trick to do. You can learn it today and perform it tonight, okay? Let me know what you think. It's a self-working trick. I know it's not difficult, but have fun with it. And until next time.